Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So guys, today what we're going to discuss is a simple small single bedroom that I basically use to make over £400 in cash flow, and let me tell you how to do it. So this specific property is based in Liverpool. A normal single bedroom goes between, let's say, 200 to 250. If I push my numbers, I could do 265, ensuite maybe 300. But what I decided to do is use it at its full potential, especially because it's located in such a perfect location right next to a stadium. So I thought to myself, let me list this on Airbnb. And the reason why I listed it on Airbnb is because I believe it's smart. It's just smart to list it on Airbnb because I know there's a lot of people who are just one individual just searching for a one simple bedroom that will benefit them due to location wise. So right now what I'm going to do is show you a little clip of just explaining what I done and how I done it, and you will most probably get tips on it, so check it out. So guess how much this single room is already making me in profit. So right now what I decided to do to make more profit on this specific room, I decided to list it on Airbnb. So as you can see, I've listed on Airbnb literally 2 days ago, and first booking was £82.90 in profit, and then the next one had been £405.85. So I'm currently on £488.75 in profit. So my whole point in this whole clip today is just to let you know there are so many different ways to make money from a simple bedroom. But listen, yes, right now I don't have a course in service accommodation, but my plans are to have a course in service accommodation because I know it could be very helpful. But I will say rent to rent, once again, is much more safer just because you have long-term tenants. But the great thing about service accommodation is when you have multiple bedrooms, you can test out one room, see how it is in location wise, and see how you feel about it. And guys, what I will definitely say is as well, if you feel like there's a specific maybe house that you feel like will be perfect in service accommodation, I will say to you, make sure you know the location very well and what is the attraction there. What do you feel like people are happy to book it? Why would someone book it? If it was them, why would they book it? And this is why I say location is so important. So let's say you have a rent to rent and there's, for example, 5 bedrooms. Test out the market. Get 4 of those whole bedrooms tenanted out by long-term people and use that 1 bedroom and just test it out on the market. So that's more or less of a risk. So you can just see how it is and how it's going, so you know if you actually did this full time, how much money you could earn. And that's the beauty on how to test in rent to rent and service accommodation. And helpful, having a service accommodation could be if you test it out just to see how it will go, because it just, you know, you're putting one foot in and one foot out, but you're being safe because you want to know that the guaranteed rent is still there, you're paying the landlord's happily, you're not getting no losses, and you're able to afford to test out 1 bedroom. Because like I said, with service accommodation, the money is so much more of a demand, but once again, you need to make sure it's in a good location. You can't just get any random house and just put it on Airbnb and think, oh yeah, it's gonna work well. And that's why, like, by truth, I haven't actually put out a service accommodation course yet, because I wanted to teach everybody rent to rent first, because I know it's more safe. And when I feel like, you know, it's ready, I'm ready to post out, you know, a service accommodation one, I definitely will. But guys, thank you so much for watching today. If you love my channel, if you felt it insightful, make sure you add me on Instagram. It's @BronyNeri. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 PM when I post. And guys, once again, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.